The Thermalright Aqua Elite 360 boasts a sophisticated design featuring a full copper base and an aluminum cooling plate, ensuring efficient heat dissipation. Equipped with three 120mm PWM fans, this cooler delivers strong airflow while maintaining a low noise level, enhancing its appeal for quiet computing environments. The high-performance pump head with a swirl design not only ensures top-notch cooling, but also adds a touch of elegance with its illuminated logo. ARGB synchronization allows the cooler to display vibrant lighting effects, which can be harmonized with other components for a visually stunning setup. This cooler is highly versatile, offering compatibility with a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets, making it an excellent choice for various builds. Ease of installation is a standout feature, thanks to its all-metal fasteners and clear instructions, making it accessible even for those new to custom cooling solutions.